What if you found out that every time you filled up, you were paying a 30% laziness tax? A tax not to the government, but to your own unnoticed habits. Habits that gas stations quietly depend on for billions in extra profit. They're counting on you to never question the routine. To keep burning fuel you don't need to burn. That ends today. We are revealing the top fuel-saving secrets the industry hopes you'll ignore. No gadgets to buy. No magic pills. Just smart, science-backed adjustments that can save you hundreds of dollars a year, stretch every gallon, and protect your engine. And stick around for secret number 1. It's the one they hate the most. It dismantles their easiest profit stream, and almost no one is talking about it. Let's reclaim your money. Secret number 12 starts with a deadly illusion: drafting. That driver glued to the back of a semi-truck? They're playing a high-stakes game for a 1 to 3% fuel saving, with less than a second to react to disaster. The real fuel killer here isn't aerodynamics, it's aggressive driving. Hard acceleration and braking can slash your mileage by 15 to 30%. Smoothness isn't just safer, it's cheaper. Which leads to secret number 11: anticipate traffic. Charging toward red lights and slamming brakes is a gas station's dream. By looking ahead and coasting smoothly, you can improve city fuel economy by 10 to 40%. You'll save barely 26 seconds by weaving through traffic, but burn a noticeable amount of extra fuel. Secrets number 10 is about controlling your climate and your idle. Blasting AC in city traffic can increase fuel use by 15 to 30%. On the highway, roll up the windows, the drag costs more. And if you're idling for more than 10 seconds, you're burning money for nothing. Modern cars don't need long warm-ups. That's an old myth padding station profits. Secrets number 9 and number 8 are the silent thieves. A dirty air filter can rob up to 10% of your efficiency in older cars. And underinflated tires? Just 5 to 10 psi low can cost you 3% in fuel economy. Gas stations love that you only check when the warning light comes on. By then, you've already paid their tax. Secret number 7. Skip the premium pump unless your manual requires it. It's their easiest upsell. For most cars, it offers zero benefit, just a more expensive receipt. Don't tip the gas station. Secret number 6. Shed weight and drag. Every 100 pounds of junk in your trunk cuts efficiency by about 1%. An empty roof rack? That's an aerodynamic parachute, wasting 10 to 25% of your fuel on the highway. America wastes over 100 million gallons a year on empty racks alone. Secrets number 5 and number 4 seal the leaks. A loose gas cap can let 30 gallons of fuel vapor escape per year. A full tank, vanished. And on the highway, use adaptive cruise control. It eliminates the speed fluctuations that burn 10 to 20% more fuel. Steady speed is efficient speed. The final fixes are inside the engine. Secret number 3. Use the right oil viscosity. Too thick or thin creates drag. Switching to the correct spec can give you an immediate 1 to 2% boost. Secret number 2. Clean your engine. Carbon-clogged injectors can steal 5 to 15% of your mileage. A quality PEA-based cleaner every few thousand miles restores power and efficiency. And now, the number 1 secret gas stations guard with their profits. Never run on empty, and never overfill. Running your tank low constantly overheats and kills your fuel pump, a $1,500 plus repair. But overfilling after the pump clicks is their real trick. With vapor recovery systems, that extra squeeze often gets sucked back into their tanks, but you still pay for it. Worse, it can flood your EVAP system, leading to another $1,000 to $2,500 repair. The rule is simple: refill at a quarter tank. Stop at the first click. This single habit protects your car, stops you from paying for fuel you don't get, and starves the gas station of its easiest, most hidden profits. 12 secrets. Simple changes. Hundreds of dollars staying in your pocket every year. It's not about driving less. It's about driving smart. Stop paying the laziness tax. Start keeping your money. Subscribe to the Car Care Garage channel for more truths they don't want you to know. Hit the bell. And drive smart.